Decentraland is a software running on Ethereum that seeks to incentivize a global network of users to operate a shared virtual world, PPS, in world payments and peer-to-peer communication for users. Two different types of tokens govern operations in Decentraland. Land, a non-fungible token, NFT, used to define the ownership of land parcels representing digital real estate. Mana, a cryptocurrency that facilitates purchases of land as well as virtual goods and services used in Decentraland. How does Decentraland work? The Decentraland application is built to track real estate parcels defined by land tokens. The software leverages the Ethereum blockchain to track ownership of this digital land, and it requires users to hold its Mana token within an Ethereum wallet to engage with its ecosystem. Further, developers are free to innovate within Decentraland's platform by designing the animation and interactions experienced on their virtual real estate architecture. Decentraland has many layered components built using Ethereum smart contracts. The consensus layer maintains a ledger that tracks the ownership of land parcels. Each parcel of land has a unique coordinate in the virtual world, an owner and a reference to a description file representing the content within the parcel. Marketplace and builder. Outside of the gaming environment, the Decentraland team has released a marketplace along with a drag-and-drop editor users can access to build scenes. The marketplace enables participants to manage and exchange land tokens, priced in Mana. Owners can use the marketplace to transact or transfer parcels and other in-game items such as wearables and unique names. Of note, all transactions are settled between Ethereum wallets, and therefore are verified by Ethereum's network and logged on its blockchain. Decentraland's builder tools authorize owners to curate a unique experience within their land parcels. Interactive scenes are designed through its editing tool, where developers can access customization libraries and payment implementations.